We are going to be unboxing the Google Pixel Buds A series, and I got these as a gift for when I bought my Pixel Pro 6 phone. And it has all of the usual beautiful artwork all over the box itself. And as you can see, it is the A series, and it is dark olive colored. Now we're going to open this thing up, and the first presentation is really nice. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable, instruction manuals, and an extra pair of earplugs, just in case you don't like the ones that come stock with it. The instruction manuals are super user-friendly, and all it takes is for you to open this pod up, and it will automatically connect to your Android phone. Later, my brothers and sisters.